It is game one of the brand new MiLW season, kicking it off with a classic MiLW rivalry between my William Kiefer Cats and Brock Berkwin's led Birds. Pitching matchup tonight between both the captains, 4-year veteran, league commissioner, myself, Will Kiefer, going up against another 4-year veteran and team captain, Brock Berkwin. Both guys stayed on the same teams, full careers. Birds, Brock a bird through and through, Kiefer a cat. And as we'll see on the bump, obviously no pitching stats yet. This is the first appearance of the new season.
Here we go, bro.
For myself, Will Kiefer. We are ready to kick it off. Batting order for the Birds. Caleb Line leading it off his rookie season. Jacob Seibel, 4-year veteran in the 2 slot. And Brock Berkwin rounding out the order. First pitch, ball 1. The 3-1. Takes inside on the drop ball and a leadoff walk to start the new season for Caleb Line. Jacob Seibel in a 3-1 count. He'll take high, and it's 2 leadoff walks to get the first 2 guys on. For Berkwin. 3-0 delivery. And it is 3 walks. Walked the entire lineup their first time through to start it off. The yellow base on the bottom of your screen, because there are no ghost runners, marks a warning bag. If it is a walk with that bag lit up, it counts as a run. Instead, this one will get put in play on a 2-2 count. Throw by Dane Steinmetz is not going to get Brock, and the first run of the board goes to the Birds. Caleb Line into second with an RBI double. Dane Steinmetz playing in just his third year in the league, so he's pretty well known. And that is not a great look to start off your season. So it's a 1-0 lead here early in the top of the first. Still no outs. Jacob Seibel, his second at bat of the night and his second walk of the night. Yellow bag lit up again in a bases loaded situation. Here's Brock Berkwin, second at bat of the night. Walked his first time up. Swing, then misses at strike 3, and we have the first out via K from Kiefer. That inside drop ball. It's going to work real well on Brock tonight. He's a lefty. It'll be starting at him, dropping outside. Here's Caleb Line after the first out. He'll swing, ground this ball back to the pitcher, throw over to first, got him. Brayson playing first, and we got a mix-up over at third. Jacob trying to retreat to second. The throw by Brayson will miss him. Brock will score. And a chance to get out of the inning, just giving up 1 turns into a disaster. They still get the out, but another run comes through. They're now down by 2. Jacob over to third. So now there's a guy 50 feet away from scoring after the error. Jacob Seibel, third at bat of the night. First pitch will come high for ball 1. 1-0. High, ball 2. He's already walked twice. High, ball 3. 3-0. Chance to put guys on corners. He'll swing and miss at the 3-0 delivery. 3-1. Drop ball, fouled off. Full count now. Kiefer's worked it back from 3-0 to full. The pitch is fouled off. We have a good at bat. Put in play on the ground. Dane will take his time getting over to it. Throw across the diamond, won't be in time. Jacob Seibel, after a long at bat, works the base hit. Brock Berkwin back to the dish. 0 for 1 with a walk tonight and a strikeout. He'll swing and miss and end the inning on his second K of the night. Cats keep it to just 2. They leave a pair on. 2-0 lead the Birds. Middle of the first. On the bump now for the Birds, team captain, 4-year veteran, and 2-time World Series winning pitcher. He's won the Cy Young Award twice, Brock Berkwin. Obviously, once again, no pitching stats. This is his first appearance of the year. Alright, batting order, myself, Will Kiefer to lead it off. Brayson Bly on the 2-hole, first pitch fouled off, and Dane Steinmetz batting 3. The 0-1. Put in play on the ground. It's going to be a tough play for Seibel. He'll just eat it. And the leadoff man on. Here's Brayson Bly. He'll take ball 4 in his first at bat. 2 guys on now to lead off the inning for Dane Steinmetz. Each team has a left-hand hitter hitting in their 3-hole. Pitch to Dane, ball 4. Bases loaded situation. You see the yellow bag lit up at first because there's no ghost runners. Nobody's on the base, but with a walk, when that base is lit up, a run will score. Any other outcome, that runner is pointless. Now here's Kiefer with a chance to do some big damage and cut into this 2-0 deficit here early. Swings and misses at strike 1. The 1-1. Put in play on the ground. Play at third. Oh, miss him. Brayson will score. Dane will come around and score. And just like that, it's a brand new ball game with no outs here in the first. The 2-run RBI single by the missed throw at third. And he'll walk Brayson again on an inside pitch he lays off of. Guys first and second now. Pitch to Dane. And another walk. That one way high. Bases loaded situation for Kiefer for the second at bat in a row. So if you look at the bottom of your screen, that's the upcoming game. You'll see that in about a week. Also, make sure you subscribe. Help us reach our goal of 250 subscribers. On the ground. Tough play for Brock. He won't get him. And before recording it out, they've completely not only erased the 2-0 lead from the Birds after 1, but have now taken the lead. And there are still guys on with no outs. 2 guys in scoring position for Brayson. He'll fly one, foul territory. Jacob ranging over. He'll put it away for the first out finally. Here's Dane. Pitch. Steinmetz will fly into right field, but they got a guy for that. Caleb Blind records another flyout. Back-to-back flyouts, and they have 2 down. Kiefer back into the box. Every run scored has come via RBI from him. Fly ball, foul territory, and 3 straight flyouts ends. A big 3 straight flyouts ends the bottom of the first. What was a 2-0 lead for the Birds just about 10 minutes ago? Now a 1-run deficit heading into the second inning. Kicking off the top of the second, Caleb Blind to lead it off. First pitch, spiked into the ground. Full count. And he'll take one off the torso for ball 4. Caleb Blind, the leadoff man, on once again. Pitch. Grounded. Left side. It'll just stay inside the foul line. And a hit for Jacob Seibel puts 2 leadoff guys on. Pitch to Brock. Swing and a miss. Got him for his 3rd strikeout of the night already in just 4 plate appearances. Rough start to the 2026 season for Berkwin. There's the first out of the inning. Pitch to Blind. Swung on and missed. Strike 3. Back-to-back Ks for Kiefer. Falling off the mound. Slider won't catch the zone or come anywhere near it. Bases loaded situation. 2 guys in scoring position now with 2 down. A guy who's 1 strikeout away from the golden sombrero at the dish. Puts it on the ground. Easy play over at first. Flips it to Brayson. And he'll avoid the strikeout, but regardless, he grounds out. Lead stays at 1 for the Cats. They're through 2 clean. Big chance for the Cats to tack on some insurance runs here and then go win it in the top half of the 3rd. First pitch to Brayson is put on the ground. Brock throws, got him by about a step. Beautiful play there on the infield. And here's Steinmetz. Second pitch of the inning. Flied into opposite field, and it's 2 pitches and 2 outs here for Brock. This is what he needed back in the 1st inning. 3-pitch inning alert. Takes eyeball 1. The 1-1 offering. Ripped into left field. Jacob comes up with the throws. Offline and not in time. So the 1-2-3 inning spoiled. Brock just 5 pitches deep into the inning. Brayson fly ball left field. A little scary there by Seibel, but he hangs on. 4 guys up. Was all it took to get 3 outs. Still trailing 1. Desperation time for the Birds. They need it back here in the top half of the final inning. Surprising move here is it'll be Brayson on the mound instead of their ace Kiefer when they have a chance to start off 1-0 with 3 outs here. First pitch swinging, strike 1. Here comes, and a walk-in. Started off hot with a strike, followed by 4 straight balls, and that'll be his night. In comes Steinmetz. The 1-1 delivery is swung on to left center field, and it's out of here. Jacob Seibel puts the Birds out in front, down to their final 3 outs. The leadoff man works away on, and then in Dane Steinmetz's second pitch, Jacob Seibel takes the hanging mistake over the left center field fence and takes the lead by 1 here in the final inning. Kiefer back into pitch against Brock. Puts it on the ground. Flip to first. Got him. 1 quick out after the 2-run shot. Delayed delivery on full count. Pitch number 7 to the at-bat, and it'll work the walk. Caleb Blind, hooting and hollering, tossing the bat. Guy on first. Line drive, right field. It'll get down at the base of the wall. Dane was holding him on at first, so no one's over there to make the play. Jacob will get into second, and it's not an RBI, but it's a double. 2 guys in scoring position now with 1 down. Pitch to Brock. Lined into left field. This will score another run. Brayson will get the out at third. And an RBI single, but it also cost him an out, but it's the 2-run lead now. Brock Berkwin getting the job done. Pitch. Puts it on the floor. Play it first. Pulls Dane off the bag. He drops it. Brock wants 3. The throw across the diamond. Don't hit him. What a play. Dane Steinmetz. What a way to end an inning. My goodness.
What did you do?
They spoiled the chance to win it in the top of the third by just recording 3 outs run clean. Instead, they give up 3 and now trail 2 in the bottom half of the third. Their final 3 outs, first pitch, ball 1.
Let's go, Dane.
Dane Steinmetz made that great play to finish the top half of the third. Will swing and miss it, strike 3. 1 down. And now it's Kiefer. Guy you want at the dish if you're looking for base runners. First pitch fouled off way high. Puts it on the ground on the 1-2. Got him. Down to the final out. The 3-hole. Brayson Blyle. First pitch. High and out, ball 1. The 1-0. Inside 2-0. Head of the count here. Brayson in the driver's seat. 2 down, 2-0 delivery. Popped right back to Brock. 1 hand, he'll put it away. They were losing coming into the third, but they get the job done here in opening day.